Dunlop versus Talalay Latex. The difference between Dunlop and Talalay Latex foam is the process used to turn liquid latex into a hardened foam. In the Dunlop process, latex is poured into a mold and hardened in the oven. It is then washed and dried to create the final product. It is much more energy efficient than the Talalay process. The Talalay process involves pouring the liquid latex half full into a mold and then expanding it by vacuum pressure. Once expanded, the latex is frozen and pumped with carbon dioxide. Then the temperature is raised to complete the hardening process. It is also then washed and dried to create the final product. The difference between Dunlop and Talalay latex are very minimal and hard to differentiate. There are many other factors that determine the quality and firmness of the foam other than the way it was manufactured during the Dunlop or Talalay methods. For more information on buying a new mattress, check out our other videos or visit us at www.nationalmattress.ca.